For this cute wall hanging, we will be needing a piece from a box. I have here a small piece, and we will need circular objects in 2 different sizes. You can use a plate, a bowl, or anything else. I have here a bowl of 25 centimeters in diameter. We are going to place it here and draw a circle with it. After having done so, we'll take a smaller circular object. I have here a smaller bowl of 20 centimeters in diameter, and we are going to place this in the middle. And draw a circle with this. After having done so, we'll cut this out. After cutting the outer area, we'll now cut this inner area, and we'll take this inner piece out. We'll remove that. We will only keep this piece from outside. After we have cut this out in shape, we'll take white A4 size paper, and we will paste it on top of this. But first we'll take glue, and we will apply glue all around it. After applying glue on this, we'll take A4 size paper and paste it on half of this like this. And we'll cut a small piece like this. Leaving a small piece, we'll follow the shape of this circle, and we'll cut the A4 size paper, both from outside and from inside as well. And now we will place a second piece of A4 size paper on the other side. After pasting this paper here, we'll do the same on this side as well. After having done that, we will make cuts in the paper throughout the entire circle. Both outside and inside as well. After having done that, we'll take glue, and we will put the glue throughout here. And we will take paper from one side, from the inside, and we'll paste it like this. We will take glue again, and we will put glue on top of this. And we will paste these papers above it. We will put this aside to dry, and I have here squares of 9 by 9 centimeters. I have 3 pieces of each color, and I have it in the colors blue, red, orange, pink, yellow, green, and purple. I also have a normal A4 size paper. I took a small square of it of 9 by 9 centimeters, and I'll be making a stencil from this. I'll fold this in half. And I will fold all the color papers in half as well. I'll take the white stencil now, and on this white stencil I will draw half of a butterfly. And we will cut this out. Now we are going to take all the colored papers that we have. We will put our stencil on the side where we have the fold. We will draw over this. And we will cut these out. And this is exactly the same that I will be doing with all the other papers as well. After we have made all the butterflies, we will take a butterfly and this place here, these two places that you see, we will fold the wing there. And that's the same that we'll be doing on this side as well. We will fold the wing here. And it will be looking like this now. Do this with all the other butterflies as well. After we have folded the wings of all the butterflies, we'll keep these butterflies aside and we'll take back our circle that we made. We will take our butterflies and on this middle part that we have here, we will apply glue on it and we'll paste the butterfly on our structure. We'll take the other butterfly. Like this, we're going to paste all our butterflies on this. I have here a strip that I made of normal A4 size paper, and this strip is 5 centimeters by 21 centimeters. For this step, we will be needing a toothpick, and we'll take the toothpick, put it in the corner, and roll this paper. Remove the toothpick and keep on rolling it. And at the edge here, we'll put glue. We'll close it like this. And then we are going to cut this paper in 3 parts. If it loosens up, then simply roll it back again in form. And on the open edge, put some glue to close it again. Like this, we will be needing 14 pieces. They don't have to be exactly the same size. They have to be roughly about the same size, but they don't have to be exactly the same. We will take this decoration again now. And we will take 1 piece of the rolled up paper. We will take a butterfly, and here on the head part of the butterfly we'll put some glue, and we'll paste this butterfly on this here. On the other side we'll apply some glue again. And we will simply paste it here. Make sure to paste it on the back side. And we are going to paste all our pieces the same way. After we have made this, we'll turn it over like this, and we're going to place pieces of tape on each stick that we just placed. Next, I have here a piece of ribbon. This ribbon is 22 centimeters in length and it is ½ centimeter in width. We will put some glue here and we will put some glue here on this side. We will take our piece of ribbon and we'll place it on top of this glue. And for extra security, so it won't move from its place, we are putting a piece of tape there on both sides of the ribbon. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave this channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos. I have awesome room decorations, party decorations, and all kinds of holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs on my channel. So please don't forget to check them out. I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.